Just like a knight in shining armor from a long time ago. Just like a knight in shining armor from a long time ago. Just in time to save the day. Take it to my castle far away. Kamusta kayong lahat? And let's build Bonsai tree from the Lego Botanical Collection. Let's start building! So this Lego set ay meron siyang 878 pieces. And it was released like 5 years ago. So medyo late na yung aking mga videos regarding the Lego sets. But then, pwede pa tayong humabol. This set has like 3 sections. Nandiyan yung stand, yung pot, and of course the trees. What is kind of interesting with this set is yung mga leaves niya. So pwede mo siyang gawing green, and then after that, kung iba yung mood mo or iba yung trip mo, so you could choose pink naman. So it's like a combination, parang cherry blossoms nga. So at this time, binibuild ko yung ating stand. So maganda yung color combination niya. Mayroon brown, black. So, of course, yung pot niya is black. Kasi yung of course yung trees with brown and pink and white. So ang ganda yung color tone na ginamit niya dito. So let's continue building. And there you have it. Tapos na nga yung ating bonsai tree from the Lego Botanical Collection. So, na-enjoy ko yung pagbibuild nitong set na to. Kasi kaiba talaga yung mga botanical collection, especially yung mga bricks nila. Medyo kakaiba din sa mga regular bricks na ginagamit natin dun sa mga ibang Lego sets. And then, kung mapapansin nyo with this set, kanina, yung mga petals or yung mga flowers, may halo siyang kakaiba. Then, nung una, sabi ko, ano ba itong mga bricks na to? Yun pala, tinitingnan ko siyang mabuti. Sabi ko, ibang klase to. Yun pala, frogs. Frog siya. So, aside from mga pink na flowers, meron siyang pink frogs right there, kung mapapansin nyo. So, it's kind of weird at cute at the same time. Pero, na-enjoy ko yung pag-build nitong set na to. Thank you so much for watching this video regarding ito sa botanical collection, yung bonsai tree. So, hope you could watch again my videos at Build Binoy Build. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I am